Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video, we will be looking at what inventory snapshots is on Keepsales. Now, I think we already know what snapshots when we say a snapshot, a snapshot is you want to take a photograph that is taken like immediately. So if you are familiar with things like screenshots, snapshot, yeah. So now in this video, we'll just be looking at what it means to take an inventory snapshot. Okay, now usually during stock auditing, and let me briefly explain what stock auditing is. It's the process where you verify your physical stock or its quantity against what you have in the system. So usually, the goal is to check out if there are any discrepancies between what you know should be on the shelves versus what is actually available in the system. Okay, so that's a brief explanation on that. I won't go into so much detail on that since we are just going to focus on what inventory snapshot is. But then one of the most important processes that happens, okay, during the stock auditing is that first you want to take note or record what you already had. Okay, that is what was your initial inventory size, something like what was the initial inventory value, etc. Okay, so without that, you realize that there is no reference for when you are done with the stock audit. Okay, so inventory snapshot on the keep sales just allows you to capture the preceding or let me just say the inventory details before you begin your audit. Okay, so let me just go right into it, and then I explain on the go. So over here, what we have is the inventory snapshot page. Okay, so to get here, you just click on the main menu, and then you click on stock. When you click on stock, there's a drop down, and then you click inventory snapshot. Okay, so when you click on inventory snapshot, it brings you here. So I mean, like the name is inventory snapshot. So you want to take a picture of your inventory. Okay, so this, as you can see, are previous inventory snapshots that were taken. Okay, so let's say we want to do a stock audit. Okay, so we want to take a quick snapshot, okay, of our inventory. So when you come here, you just see or new inventory snapshot. This is a very a simple procedure. Even I think even a baby can do it. Yeah. So when you just click on this, okay, it tells you to create new inventory snapshot. You can capture your inventory statistics just one time each day. Okay, so you can capture it multiple times. So once we are done, it says that well, our inventory snapshot has been created. Okay, so all right, so this was captured on. Okay, so we see it's in a table form. Okay, so over here you see that the number of unique items, okay, for today is 821. We see the number of total inventory size, okay, about 160,000. We see our inventory costs over here. We see our inventory retail value, and then we see our wholesale value, and then it tells you when it was created. Okay, so if you want to delete it, you can delete it as well. Okay, so now this is very relevant because you want to, before you begin, your stock audits or assessing your physical stock. Okay, you want to have an idea what you already had, like I stated before. You want to have an idea what you already had, and then the inventory snapshot just makes it very very easy instead of writing them down or maybe going to our report and export. Okay, over here, going to our report and export to export all these details. You just get it at your go, just like that. And then when you are done with your stock audit, okay, you take another a snapshot, and then you are able to tally it, okay, with what you had before. So after that, you are able to now tell the difference. Okay, do you still have the same inventory size? Are everything tallying like they should? And if they are not tallying, you want to find out where the discrepancies are. Okay, so this is all with your inventory snapshot. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. We have more of these videos on Keep Sales available on our platform. So do well to check them all out. I'll see you again in our next video. Have a wonderful time and bye bye.